Click on Registered Jack45 Mapper. Open the dust cover, connect the crystal head to the RJ45 port for measurement. Open the dust cover of the sequence network module, connect the other end of the crystal head to the module. The A/B switching allows you to toggle between wiring standards. Click on Unit. Click on Start to check the length. Connect the crystal head to the RJ45 port for measurement. Open the dust cover of the sequence network module, connect the other end of the crystal head to the module. Click on Sequence. A/B switching allows you to toggle between wiring standards. Click on Start. You can check whether the module indicator lights and the screen sequence numbers are consistent. Click on Registered Jack45 Tracker. Connect the crystal head to the RJ45 port for measurement. Switch to analog mode. Click on Start. Rotate the tracing pen clockwise to turn it on. Press the trace button briefly. When the receiver is near the tested network cable, it will emit a beeping alert. Click on Switch to digital mode. Click on Start. Rotate clockwise to open the tracing pen. Press the trace button twice quickly. When the receiver is close to the cable being tested, it will emit a beeping alert. Analog mode searches for signals. Strong discrimination can quickly find the target cable. Digital mode uses digital signals for detection, low noise interference, and high sensitivity. In analog mode, the receiver emits a beep and flashes a red light when it is near the tested network cable. In digital mode, the receiver emits a beep and flashes a green light when it is near the tested network cable.